The new Continental GT Speed is the most dynamic road car in Bentley's 101-year history and the ultimate performance-focused interpretation of the world's benchmark luxury Grand Tourer. Designed, engineered, developed, and handcrafted in Bentley's carbon-neutral luxury automotive factory, this new third-generation model builds on a long tradition of speed variants. Originally introduced with the highly acclaimed, first-generation Continental GT Speed in 2007, itself inspired by the 3-liter speed models of the 1920s. The latest GT Speed continues the bloodline by representing the ultimate combination of luxury and performance in a grand touring package. The world's most luxurious Grand Tourer is now truly more capable than ever before, with a new sportier edge which will appeal to performance-focused drivers. The Speed is the latest chapter in the Continental GT story, helping Bentley customers to create their own extraordinary journeys. The Pinnacle Performance Continental GT features advanced chassis technology harnessed specifically for the new model.